Could you just give us a sense of why is this topic of the human microbiome important? Maybe Luca, you can go first.
So first of all, welcome also from my side. I'm very excited to be here and able to present to you the work that we have been doing in order to put together this course. I'm sure that you know how human microbiome is becoming a real science that has potentials in terms of influencing the life of human beings. Microorganisms are intimately connected with us. They are present in our intestine, but they are present also on our skin, in our ears, in every part of our body, and they are really instrumental in order to keep us healthy. This is an important aspect that I would say that has really pushed a lot of researchers, both in the medical field but also in the food field, to enter into the interaction of these microorganisms with our body and the way our body is actually functioning. I'm a food microbiologist, and I'm really interested in how the microbes that are present in our intestine mainly are actually influenced by the foods that we are ingesting. Think that foods that we are eating every day are not only important for our sustainability, but they are also important for the sustainability of the microorganisms that we have in our body. And so based on the foods that we are eating, we are also giving to our microorganisms different nutrients that are super important in order to modulate their ecology and their function. Consider that microorganisms in our body, they are very close to our internal structures, our internal tissues. And so there is very much, as I said before, an intimate contact. And through this intimate contact, there are a lot of influences that microbes are actually, let's say, having with our body. So it is important to study, and it is important to understand the real potential of the human microbiome. And in this course, we really dig into the different functions and the different possibilities that we can have in the field of the human microbiome. And now I leave also Marta to elaborate a little bit better, because I'm sure that she has even more right points and interesting points to suggest you to follow this course.
Yeah, well, to me this course is important, in fact, because as Luca, can you hear me well? It's important because gut microbes, as Luca just pointed out, are super important because they greatly influence our health. And I would like to highlight that we scientists are just at the beginning. We are just starting to discover the power of the gut microbiota. And in this sense, I would like to highlight some recent studies that show that, for instance, gut microbiota can influence our behavior. So imagine, this is really something fascinating. So with knowing this, we can understand the relevance and how important is the topic that is presented in this course.